I'm going to demonstrate how our Chrionml AI platform identifies the best time to purchase for investors by showing savings realized between two time frames. Most importantly, I'm going to illustrate the return on investment figures to solidify the impact of our AI-driven platform. So on the left-hand side, we're going to do forecast predictions in April of this year to see what that price will be. So on April 1st, 2025, we can see that future single family home in Seattle is forecast to be $942,065. On the right hand side, I'm going to do a similar forecast, except I'm going to forecast out 12 months from now. So I'm going to do my forecast April 1st, 2026. And we can see that the future forecasted price on April 1st, 2026 is $19. So right off the bat, I'm able to identify and see for myself that in 12 months, I'll have the opportunity, if I made a purchase sooner, to save myself $35,054. So now I want to go ahead and input my purchase price to determine my return on investment. That price was $942,065. So I can see my forecasted return on investment, this visualization graph here. So knowing that I made my purchase in April, 2 months later, by June 2025, future forecasted price for a single family home will be $947,923. I would have achieved close to a $6,000 gain, $5,858 to be exact, with a 0.62% return on investment. Now I'm going to forecast out by the end of the year just to see how much I would have made at the end of the calendar year. So by the end of the year, December 2025, single family homes in Seattle will be $965,594. I would have achieved $23,529 gain, close to 2.50% at the end of the year. Now, if we take a look here on the right hand side, given that I bought my home April 2026 for $977,119, $977,119. I'm going to take a look at my return on investment. So I purchased in 2026. So in 2 months, future home values are still going to be $983,073. It's the same on the left hand side. My gain at that point will be $5,954, 0.61%. So now if we just fast forward to the end of the year to see how much I would have realized. So by the end of the year, we're seeing that single family homes will be over $1 million, $1,648 to be exact. On my home purchase investment, I would have achieved $23,529 with a return on investment of 2.41%. Now that's how much I would have achieved by December 2026. To highlight the return on investment relative to investing earlier in April, we're going to take a look on the left hand side now, and we're going to highlight this row to determine how much more we have achieved relative to investing later. So we can clearly see that on the left hand side, by investing earlier, able to achieve $58,583 gain, 6.22%, as opposed to when I only achieved $23,529 on the right hand side and a 2.41% return on investment. Able to see right away as an investor and as a user of the platform that investing on April on the left hand side here relative to versus May 1st on the right hand side could result in a savings of $35,054 and additionally return on investment of 6.22%, which is more than double the return on investment on the right hand side. So our platform makes and helps you see that decision so you're able to take action quicker, never miss an opportunity.